This is Steve from Steve's Locksmith Shop, and I am cutting a GM 10 cut hu100. See if I can get that focus there. We're going to decode it, and then we're going to cut it. And just to let you guys see, we're on the locksmith van. And I got my software up there. Turn off the flash. There we go. Okay. So, decode. Start decoding. Okay. There it is, decoded. We're going to change the cutter on the Miracle 7. Take out this tracer. See if we can do this one-handed. There we go. And probably shouldn't drop the tracer, but put it in the cutter. A second here to get that cutter in. Take out the key, put the new key in. Now I had my tip stop that it came with, but of course I lost it on the van because I probably left it on the counter and it's on my floor somewhere. So pretty much you could just use anything. I'm just going to use a straight plate here just to get it so it's lined up. Tight. Okay. Go over to the machine. Start key cutter. So it's basically saying what spot it's in. We're hit OK. And it's saying, hey, this is the spot it's in. We're hit OK again. It's going to send the information over to the machine. Now this 10 cut software for this, I made it up because this machine's older than the 10 cut key, so I had to do create a key and make it up. So let's see how it turns out. Go. One side's done. Just flip the key over and do the other side. That's for a 2020 GMC Terrain. There we go. 10 cut GM laser cut key. That should work fine. Alright, Steve from Steve's Locksmith Shop signing off.